welcome back to a brand new video. Today we're going to be doing a whole full face of one brand only, and we're going to be using loads of Flormar goodies. So I have recently been sent over loads of Flormar. Flormar originally launched back here in Malta. We did have Flormar back in the day, but they've recently launched under a new supplier here, and well, we've got all the products here to try out. So I thought we'd do a one brand makeup look. I've done a simple look because it's really hot, it's humid, it's in the nearly 40 degrees sun here, and I have no AC on in this little room. So this is the look I've gone for. Do keep on watching if you want to know more, and if there's anything else you want me to review or anything, do let me know in the comments. But this is the final look, so if you want to know how I got this look from Flormar, do keep on watching. Now, I hope you can't hear that much of the vibrations because right next to us are building, but I'm going to ignore that. So the first product I'm going to be using is this. This is a little mini tester. So I'm actually the makeup artist for Flormar at the moment here in Malta, so I do get some products to test and try, hence why we're doing this video. So this is the Illuminating Makeup Primer Plus. So, guessing? I think there's two different ones. I think there's a mattifying one as well, but this is supposed to be illuminating and should be a primer, a face primer actually. Not sure if I'm seeing anything illuminating, but we will see. I do like to put something a bit dewy underneath my foundation because I don't like a matte finish, but I guess there is a slight shimmer, but it's not on my hands, or if there is, it's very minimal. So it could be a very minimalistic illumination, but it does give a tacky kind of feel, nothing too much, but we will see. Now we're going into foundation. I do have a lot of foundations here. The range itself is quite dark, if I'm honest, not for my UK besties. I would say these, unless you tan or you fake tan, this is not for you girls. But we're gonna try and find my color because we do have 5 here. They did send me a few because honestly guys, the number if the number says 101, doesn't mean it's the first color, the lighter shade. I'm just gonna pop here and try and find my shade. I did find my shade, but I'm not sure which one it was. I can't remember. The thing is, I opened all of them up, so I'm just gonna pop them on the side to try and find my shade because I probably gonna have to go up a little bit darker than I am currently. It is summertime, but I haven't really got my shade yet. I'm going to go in with let me show you the foundation. It is Perfect Coverage Foundation. This is 30 mils and it's in 100 Light Ivory. I think this is the color for me. I'm not sure. I would say this is more a summer color for me because I would possibly try and go lighter, but I've done one pump on my little palette here, which I tend to do, and then I'll just buff it in with a sponge. And I just find this is the easiest way to get the best coverage without it being cakey. So I might look like a clown, but it's okay. I'm gonna go in with this, which is the brow pencil. This is called the Ultra Thin Brow, and the shade that they have provided for me is number 3 brown. Now I actually have been using this, so I can literally say that it is okay. It is great. It's a perfect, your typical ultra thin basically liner. Now I'm going to move that out of the way because that is in focus. So this is what it looks like, your ultra thin brow pencil. I've been using it for a while, just basically because mine finished, and what I really typically do is just fill in the brows with it. We're using this brow pencil and I'm literally just filling them in very lightly. I don't really go hardcore like I used to back in the day, and I don't really over pluck. but I do need to pluck a little bit. But you can see the difference already. Literally, this is number 3 brown. I'm not sure. I know that they must have other colors, but I think the other shades might be either too light or too brown or too black. My shade is my actual brow color is particular. It's got like more cool grayish tones, but this will do, and I'm very happy. I've been using it for a while as well, so it's okay. And now we're going to go in with concealer. So with concealer, I have this one, which is called the Eye Puff Concealer. I have 3 shades, and I'm going to find the best color for me. Now, if I'm not mistaken, I already have the one that I use the most is actually like been used, and it's on my palette. I need to see, I think it's this one actually. So it is 002 Light, and what I do is I just tend to twist and pop on here and use from the palette. So let me just grab pencil, brush, and just add where I need to add, and then we'll just go in with a sponge. So I just really just enhance certain areas. So you can actually just twist up and just dab where you need to. I like to be very makeup artistry, I guess. I just literally twist and pop on the palette. As you can see, I have so many different shades on my palette, and I just pick up from the palette with a brush, as you can see. So I just go like this. You can literally just do your lines and just go. I just find this, I don't know why, easier, because I think I just gotten used to doing it this way. But you can literally just grab the concealer puff and go like that. So till now we've done the primer, we've done the foundation, concealer, and eyebrows. This is a goodie. I think you guys should try this. I love it. Now let's go in with powders. Now with powders, I do have 2 powders. I've got one here, which is the Invisible Loose Powder. I also have this one, which is a baked powder in 29 Porcelain Ivory. So it's more of a baked powder, and it's got a really nice silky finish. So that's nice. And then I don't think I have a bronzer. What I do have is 2 blushes. So I do have Peachy Bronze and Shimmer Pink. But I think the Peachy Bronze might get away with as a bronzer. Let's see if we can get away with it, because that's a really nice colour. Guys, I'm trying to show you guys. It's got a really nice peach to it. It might not be as dark as I want it. That's the reality. But I might need to add some of my own bronzer, but we will see. I'm trying to do everything one brand, so we're going to try dip it into my bronzer brush and see if we can get any color payoff. It's okay if there's no bronzer. I'm a bronzer girly, but we can manage, I guess. We can add the pink on top to add a bit of dimension. I'm just going to try and wing it and try and do it on the spots where I would normally add bronzer. So bear with me, we're gonna try. We're going to try. Literally think of all the places where you have shadow and pop that bronzer blush. Now I'm just doing a very quick summary look, so it is very easy to do, and I'm literally staying in, so this is all for you guys. So that is that one. Let's go in with the blush. So the Shimmer Pink, which is this one here. Okay, pop that on. Got a really nice sheen to them as well. And then we're going to set everything with the powder. I think I'm going to go with this baked powder actually. Let me get a really nice, there we go, that's the baked bronzer. Baked powder. I'm going to get a brush like this and just literally dip, tap, and powder where is needed. Now I tend to like a mattified look, but I do like being dewy. Tip, if you want to prep your eye area, just grab the powder and go ahead. That's that. I'm actually really liking this look till now. I'm very happy with it. Very simple, very easy. I feel like it's a nice little look. Now, what else do I have in this bag? Okay, we're going, there's lips and eyes. So I think we should go ahead with the palette. Now, this is the palette I have, which is the Sunset number 3. Please ignore my nails. I need to go get them done. So this is the shadow. I like to use one wash of color. Believe it or not, I'm the easy girly. So I will try and use 2 colors. So I'm going to go with this one. Just literally in the out of corners. And honestly, anyone can do this. So I'm the easy girly. I know I used to love lots of color way back when, but nowadays with 2 kids, it's hurry up and get out of the house. So I'm going to go in with this shade next, using the same brush really, and just kind of blending that in these outer 2/3, just to add a bit more color, because I'm just I'm really a natural girly. Like, even my clients, I focus on the face, not the eyes. Face is my favorite place to do things. I like to beautify the face. The eyes, I like to keep them as natural as it can be. So a little bit of color, not too much. I feel like I need to go slightly darker on the outer corner just to intensify that color. Okay, so that's done. What else do we have that we can use? Let's see, we have mascara, which is great. I need a spoolie for those. So we have 2 different types of mascara, or is it 3? What's this? We have another, oh, we had another eyebrow pencil, which I don't even know I have. So we have 2 different eyebrow pencils. We do have a black eyeliner, which is, ooh, but I might use, okay guys, this is one of my tricks. Eyebrow pencil, brown. I like to use brown eyeshadow. So brown eyeliner as but I'm not sure how hard the wax is. Let's see. It is quite hard, but honestly I sometimes find that black eyeliner is quite harsh. Pencil liner, brown is my go-to. Just gives you a bit more color, but I am more of the brown girlies, and I think even my clients know it, because even my clients, wherever I can add brown, I feel like brown is softer. So now we're going into what's next. Mascara, we have 2. I have Precious Curl or Bold, Big and Bold. I'm gonna go with Precious Curl actually. Mascara, the actual spoolie looks like this. So it's your favorite girl's kind of spoolie actually, but oh, I need to, one second. See, I'm gonna rush. I'm rushing. Curl your lashes, give yourself a nice curl, very important, would be amazing if you could do that. And we're going to go in with the mascara. I have a mirror on the side just to make sure I don't make mistakes. Let's go in with lips. Now with lips, I don't actually have a lip liner, but we can make this work. That's not a problem. Okay guys, I'm going to actually just line my lips with a lip liner. Then I'm going to just buff that out. I'm gonna do a gloss. So this is the Dewy Lip Glaze, and this is in the number 23 Vacation Time. Now this doesn't have a spoolie, so I need to get a spoolie, because I cut them off because I don't want people to come into my stuff, rummage through and kind of use it. So there we have it. There is our Flormar look, but wait, there's more. There's a setting spray, guys. We have an all day fix from Flormar setting spray, and this is supposed to be spraying matte. So this is our little look that we've done. We're going to grab the spray. We have to end it on a high, don't we? It smells quite nice, actually. And that's our final look. So we've tried all Flormar products and there's no bronzer, but the blush actually did well as a light colouring. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. If there's anything you guys want me to review, do let me know. But yeah, this is the foundation now. Did you know how we started with that foundation looking really weird? We've managed to get it to match, so the foundation actually just molds to your skin. Who would have known? Love it. Love it, love it, love it. The look itself is beautiful, it's simple, it's fast, it's easy. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. If you've tried Flormar, let me know. If there's anything you want me to try from Flormar, do let me know. We can try and get it done. What do you guys think? I'll see you guys next video. Have a lovely day wherever you're in the world, and I'll see you soon.